Hi everyone. Now we are going to see about what is stress, immunity and disease. Okay? What are all the influence in immunity and disease and the role of stress. So how does stress cause illness? How? The Johnston argued that stress can cause illness through two interrelated mechanisms. He developed his own model of stress, that is illness linked with he involved in illness linked with which involves chronic and acute process. There are two process, that is one is chronic and one is other one is acute stage. In chronic, they like the illness will be for long time period. Let's see the chronic stress and illness, hormonal imbalance. Chronic stress triggers release of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Prolong. Prolonged exposure to these hormones can disturb various bodily function including metabolism, immune response and cardiovascular health. Immunosuppression. Chronic stress weakness the immune system, making individual more susceptible to infection, autoimmune immune disease and inflammation condition. Inflammation. Chronic stress contribute to systematic inflammation, which is linked to the development of various chronic disease such as cardiovascular disease, diabetics, and certain cancer. So, cardiovascular disease in chronic stage, the illness will be prolonged for even 6 months to 1 year. So cardiovascular effect is like chronic stress can lead to increased blood pressure, heart rate, inflammation, uh, contributing to the development of cardiovascular disease like hypertension, heart disease, and stroke, which increase blood sugar, hidden the memories and attention, suppress your immune system, and decrease our serotonin level, that is like a happy hormone, decrease sensitivity to pain, increase in blood pressure. Metabolic effect. Chronic stress can distribute metabolism, leading to weight gain, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetics. It has very increased chance to develop type 2 diabetics. Mental health. Chronic stress is significant risk factor of mental health disorder such as anxiety, depression, and post traumatic stress disorder. This condition can further exampled by physical health problems. In acute stress illness, they have anxiety, low mood, irritability, poor sleeping schedule, difficulty in constipation, recurrent dreams. They usually avoid environment or situations, restless behavior. They will have very emotional. They feel nausea, vomiting, headache, breathing difficulties, fatigue, excessive of worrying. So, suppression is like acute stressor such as sudden traumatic events or short term intense stress can temporarily suppress the immune system, so making individual more vulnerable to infection. So while suppressing the immune system, automatically our level of stress will increase. Cardiovascular response. Acute stress can trigger a rapid increase in heart rate and blood pressure, which is experienced frequently or intensively can contribute to long-term cardiovascular problem. Digestive issues. Next is digestive issue, which is like acute stress can disturb the digestion and gastrointestinal function and leading to symptoms like stomach pain, diarrhea, or constipation. Next is headache and music tension. That is like that is like acute stress can tension headaches like migraines, muscle tension leads to discomfort and reduce quality of life. Like hearing sound itself makes us feel bad. Next is sleep disturbance. Acute stress can interfere with sleep pattern, that is like leading to insomnia or disturbed sleep. It can contribute to both physical and mental problem if prolonged. Thank you.